Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Dati gumawa tayo ng cookie using the oven toaster. Ngayon, gagamit tayo ng microwave. Stay tuned! Before we proceed, please subscribe and hit the bell button for updates. Ngayon, ilista na ang mga ingredients. Half cup almond flour, 3 tablespoons erythritol, pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 egg yolk, half teaspoon vanilla, half tablespoon cocoa nibs. Ito ulit ang mga ingredients for the low-carb microwave cookie. And now, let's start baking! Ilagay ang almond flour sa mixing bowl. Idagdag ang erythritol. Ngayon ilagay ang pinch of salt. At simulang haluin ang mga dry ingredients. Ilagay ang coconut oil. Ilagay na ang egg yolk. And then ang vanilla. Lastly, ang cocoa nibs. Kailangan i-thoroughly mix hanggang maging cookie dough ito. Hatiin ang cookie dough sa dalawang portions. Maglagay ng isang ball sa gitna ng microwavable plate. I-flatten ito at ikorte itong cookie. Optional lang ito pero you can add additional toppings sa cookie. It's now ready for the microwave. Ipasok sa microwave oven. Iset ang cooking time sa 25 seconds. After 25 seconds, kailangan i-check ang cookie. Pag hindi pa to masyadong firm, we will microwave it again for another 25 seconds. After another 25 seconds, it's now out of the oven. Ngayon, let's try it. Yummy! The fastest and easiest way to satisfy your cookie cravings, low-carb microwave cookie. Invite ko na din kayo sa LCIF Association. Get your LC supplies just like the ones used in this video at a discounted price. Pwede ka rin mag-LCIF coach training kung gusto mong maging certified coach. And pwede ka din magbenta sa LCIF community once you become a partner merchant. Join na kayo sa LCIF Association. Ilalagay ko ang link sa ibaba. For more low-carb recipes and hacks. Like and follow me on Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!